Let's learn how to create a fire animation in After Effects. Create a new composition and add a new solid. Then add the CC Mr. Mercury effect. Change the Y radius to 0, velocity to -0.6, gravity to -0.5, blob depth size to 0, and birth size somewhere around 0.80 to 0.90. Then adjust the Y position like this. Set the animation to jet and birth rate to around 0.9. Now go to light and bring the light intensity down to 0. After that, select the anchor point tool and set the anchor point like this. Duplicate the layer. I'm importing a color palette for the animation. Add a fill effect to the second layer and pick this color from the palette. Then adjust the scale and longevity of the Mercury effect, and also tweak the birth rate to add some randomness. Duplicate it 2 more times and repeat the same process. Now add a new solid layer to create the fire particles. Add the CC Particle Systems 2 effect to it. Let's turn off the other layers for now. Set the birth rate to a very low value, around 0.1, and longevity to around 0.5. Then increase the Y radius to around 200 and X radius to around 1. Go to Physics and set the animation to Fire. Then turn the other layers back on. Let's adjust the X radius to match the shape of the fire. Go to Particle and change the colors to a blue theme. Pick the colors directly from the fire. Then select the layer and draw a mask around the particles. Adjust the feather and let's animate the mask path like this. Also adjust the opacity of the layer, start at 0, then after 1 second, bring it up to 100. Drag the layer a few frames forward as well. Now add a new adjustment layer and apply a glow effect. Increase the radius just a little bit. Add an exposure effect and bump that up slightly too. Then add CC Vector Blur with a subtle amount of blur. Make sure this blur layer sits above the glow and exposure effects. The second layer's color has some issues, so let's fix that. I went with a blue theme here, but you can choose any colors you like. There are tons of options to make this more unique and personal. Adjust the values however you want and experiment with it. If you watched until the end, drop a like.